Are partnering with Dan at Swift Blocker. He is the designer and manufacturer of the Swift Blocker. They're located in Michigan. His wife, thank goodness, decided to pick up flower farming, and that led him to design what is called the Swift Blocker, which you can't see much about it yet, but you will here in just a moment. And it is like a commercial version of the soil blocking that we have just done for so many years. And we are just thrilled to bring it alongside our Ladbroke blockers. And a really remarkable use for this. And I'm going to talk about the different ways that I see myself using it and bringing it on board. 75 zinnias that are at the top end of 3 weeks old. You know, when we're planting them when we're starting them in the 3/4 inch block, and I mean, we really have to get them planted right at this stage. But these guys still look incredibly, look at them, look incredibly healthy. And y'all know I love doing this, right? I mean, these are the rooster peppers. We started the seed in this block, and I am going to finish them in this block. So if you want, put them on and then push them out. And there you go, y'all. Look at that. Is that not the most incredible thing?